Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge. I'm Arif.
And I'm Emma. We're so happy to see you again.
Today is day 6 of our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge.
Yesterday, we learned how to introduce ourselves in English.
And today, we're going to talk about our daily routine.
In this lesson, you'll learn how to describe your daily routine in simple English.
So, let's get started.
Good morning, Arif.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. What about you?
I'm doing very well. So, shall we talk about our daily routines?
Yes, I'll go first. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. The first thing I do is make my bed. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I do some light exercise for about 20 minutes. Next, I take a shower and get dressed. At 7 a.m., I have breakfast with my family. I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit, and I drink a cup of tea. After breakfast, I spend some time reading an English book. Then I leave for my English class at around 8:30 a.m.
That's a healthy routine. My day starts a little earlier. I usually wake up at 5:30 a.m. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I pray and spend a few minutes reading. After that, I go for a short walk because it helps me feel fresh. Around 7 a.m., I have breakfast. I usually eat rice or bread with eggs and drink tea. Then, I get ready for my classes.
What do you usually do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I come back home and have lunch with my family. After lunch, I take a short rest. Then I study for about 2 hours. I also practice English speaking and learn a few new words every day. Sometimes I watch English videos to improve my listening skills. What about you?
After my classes, I usually have lunch. Then I finish my homework. In the afternoon, I enjoy reading books or listening to English podcasts. Sometimes I meet my friends for a short walk. I also spend some time learning new vocabulary every day.
That sounds wonderful. Do you have any hobbies in the evening?
Yes, in the evening, I like cooking dinner with my family. After dinner, I watch an English movie or read a novel for a while. Before going to bed, I write a few sentences in my English diary. What about you?
In the evening, I usually make YouTube videos for English learners. I also practice speaking English aloud. Sometimes I play cricket with my friends if I have free time. After dinner, I revise what I learned during the day. Before I go to bed, I plan my tasks for the next day.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Getting enough sleep helps me stay healthy and active. What about you?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. I always try to sleep early because it helps me wake up feeling fresh.
I think having a good daily routine is very important.
I agree. A good routine helps us stay healthy, organized, and productive.
And practicing English every day is also a part of our daily routine.
Exactly. Even 20 or 30 minutes of practice every day can make a big difference.
Thank you for watching day 6 of our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge.
Tomorrow is our final day, day 7.
We'll have one last exciting conversation together.
Until then, keep practicing English every day.
Goodbye. See you in day 7.
Goodbye.